Hi guys, it's Handyman here. This is officially my will be my first video. I'll be showing you guys how to fix things and etc. things like that. So basically, I'm gonna put a coat hook here. First of all, I've just made two holes here. I'm gonna tell you how to put that hook on. First of all, you need a screwdriver, and then you need a hook, and you need two screws. So just put that there. So that's all for now. It's all done right. And if you like the videos, give me a thumb up and remember to subscribe. And thank you.